dare disturb me in my grief. I said no interruptions. You will pay for it. Wait. You're not one of my servants. I know you. You are one of Master Li's students. You were the one who killed my son Gao. Your words mean nothing. You are a murderer, a killer. Gao was everything to me, and now he's gone. Damn you, school. Gao may be gone, but I will avenge him. I know.
Longsword!
Dead already. Damn it all. I wanted nothing more than to watch this man die. It matters because he deserved to die by my hands. No, that's not right. I should be thanking you. Besides, after I left you, I stumbled across something just as important. Let me explain why I'm here. That should clarify things. You saw with your own eyes that these pirates were collecting slaves, right? True enough, I have a particular hatred for slavers. Gao's slaving operation found its way to my home several years ago. Those black-hearted bastards took my daughter, Pin Mei. I lost her mother when Pin Mei was born, but my daughter was something precious in return. It has been 3 years since I lost my daughter, and I have spent that time tracking down the men who took her. My search led me here, to the lair of Gao the Greater. On my way up here, I stumbled across records that show that this goes beyond Gao. Is that so? There can be no doubt then. This goes beyond Gao the Greater. I have my vengeance. Do you mean to go further with this? I would join you. Only a fool would oppose the Lotus Assassins. It'll be an honor to join you. Oh, and I stumbled across a little something on my way up here.
Hey! That's the dust inductor I was hiding. The dragonfly can't fly without it. Next time I hide something, I'm packing explosives around it. Yes, explosives shaped like silver bananas.
In my mind, you stand the best chance of facing down Gao's masters. If you are planning to take on the servants of Death's Hand, I assure you I will be as devoted and capable as any of your other companions.
Ha! If I could harness all that hot air, I could make a furnace to power the whole of the Imperial City. Hey! Ha ha! Much kicking and such. It really gets the blood flowing. I replaced the dust inductor. The marvelous dragonfly will cross the sky at your whim. For the heavens welcome my machines, but not without considerable cajoling. If you want to fly more than a short distance, Ha ha! What wonders cling to you, my friend? There were only two in this whole region, and I destroyed one so Inquisitor Lim would not make off with my marvelous dragonfly. The other was with the Lotus Assassins, but the fools only used it for demolition. Not the ideal placement. If it shook more, the heavens might think we were afraid and take pity. Okay, she's ready to go. Hop on. I know a nice safe landing place just outside Tien's Landing. Don't worry about that. When the marvelous dragonfly takes off, the earth shakes and the sky trembles. Your friend will see us take off, and he'll... Ha-ha! Everybody on board! The marvelous dragonfly is about to take flight! Careful now, you'll dent something. Don't let them hit us. I just finished this thing. We can't take much more of this.
This new flyer seems nicer than the one we took from Gal the Lesser. Although, I'm really only judging by how shiny it is. A poor guess, I'm sure.
No, no. The marvelous dragonfly is superior to the amber mosquitoes I foisted on Gao. A shame I can't leave it on the ground for all to see, but I'm not going through all this just to have it stripped to the frame by local brags. Well, it's much like the dilemma of the centipede. But if he thinks too hard about the complexity of what he's doing, those legs might crash into the tea house and kill everyone.
Is there anything you need? I'll do... I'm trying to feel good about what happened at Gao's fortress, the lair of his pirates. We went looking for our master and perhaps another flyer. What we found... Seeing those people with no control over their fates, it is I would not dream of saying my experience is similar to those poor people, and one of the only things I know about myself is that on the morning I was born, the sky was red, like distant mountains were on fire. I believe it was an ill omen, and that stigma is why my abilities became a burden. To be subject to the whims of someone else just because of what you are. Yes, you are an outsider too, albeit one with power to change your world. and I would make great use of your confidence. I'm gaining an appreciation for the person you're becoming. Perhaps we should speak on these matters again sometime. Be well, my friend.